Now we're going to look at how to improve and maintain skin conditions. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to develop a comprehensive treatment plan for a skincare treatment that's tailored to the individual needs of the clients, be able to prepare the client for a skincare treatment ensuring comfort, understand and perform the necessary procedures for carrying out a facial, explore and apply techniques for toning and moisturising the skin, and carry out skin warming procedures to remove blockages and enhance skin health. It's important to understand that a beauty therapist can't alter an individual's skin condition, as this is influenced by genetic factors. However, by using professional expertise and the appropriate skincare treatment, as a beauty therapist, you can assist clients in enhancing the condition and appearance of their skin. And this is because, as a beauty therapist, you can choose the suitable products and treatment options once the consultation and skin analysis has been carried out. To prepare for a facial, ensure that all products, equipment and consumables that are required for the chosen treatment are suitable and available and are set up in a logical order, which are situated close to the bed to prevent straining. Position the client on the couch appropriately for the treatment to ensure comfort. Ask the client to remove their top and cover the client with a large towel, and if necessary, drape a smaller towel across the shoulders. Place a headband on the client's hairline, or you can wrap the hair with a towel. This ensure it covers all the hair adequately, and also place couch roll or tissue under the headband to keep it clean. After preparing the client for treatment, wash your hands thoroughly to ensure hygiene. A facial treatment includes several stages such as skin cleansing, exfoliation to remove dead skin cells, manual massage using various techniques, manipulation of muscles and lymph drainage or pressure points massage. Different products are used based on the client's skin type. Masks are applied throughout the treatment for hydrating, firming or tightening purposes, and the skin is ultimately hydrated and protected. Each of the following facial treatment stages can be performed individually or as part of a full facial sequence. This includes your consultation and preparation, the removal of makeup, cleansing the skin, refreshing and toning the skin, a full inspection of the skin to identify the skin type of your client, and at that point you would then choose the correct products that are suitable for the specific needs of your client. You would then carry out a second cleanse using those specific products for the client's skin type, massage and exfoliation, the application of face masks, soothing and softening, and also follow-up appointments too. Cleansing the skin is key to keeping it healthy and looking its best. It helps by getting rid of dead skin cells, which lets newer, fresher cells shine through. Plus, cleansing clears away dirt, pollutants and makeup, which means you're less likely to deal with irritation or breakouts. It also sets the stage for other skincare treatments by removing excess oil and sweat. When it comes to cleansing, there are two main approaches: superficial cleansing, which is what you do to remove any makeup before you do your skin analysis, and deep cleansing. Superficial cleansing involves using lightweight products to get rid of the surface dirt, oil and makeup. Deep cleansing, on the other hand, uses richer creams with a higher oil content. These are massaged into the skin, allowing them to reach deep into the pores for a more thorough cleanse. To begin the cleansing process, it's important to follow the correct order, starting with the lashes, eye area, then moving on to the lips, chin, neck and forehead. You must always start by washing your hands to ensure they are clean. For the eyes, use an eye makeup remover on cotton wool, gently stroking the lashes downwards from the base to the tip. Cleanse the upper lids by moving outwards and use circular motions for the lower lashes. Next, you would cleanse the lips by applying a cleansing milk or lotion, or you can use eye makeup remover still, working in circular movements and then wiping it off with a damp cotton wool. When cleansing the face and neck, choose a lotion or milk that suits the client's skin type. Begin at the base of the neck and work upwards, focusing on the chin, jawbone, face and forehead with upward strokes, and massage from the neck base to the forehead. Finally, remove the cleanser using damp cotton wool with upwards and outward strokes. For clients wearing eye makeup, it's recommended to perform the superficial cleanse twice and always use a fresh side of the cotton pad each time. This avoids the residue on the reverse side going back onto your client's skin. For deep cleansing, start by selecting a cleansing cream that suits the client's skin type. Begin with the neck and jawline using upward strokes from the neck to the jawline and apply small circular motions on the neck to ensure thorough cleansing. Move on to the cheeks using alternating hand movements from the jawline to cover the entire cheek area, repeating this action 4 times. For the nose, use your index finger in circular motions, being careful not to block the nostrils, repeating this motion 5 times. Then slide your fingers from the bridge to the edge of the nose, again repeating 5 times. When cleansing the eyes, use your ring fingers, gently perform circular motions around the eyes. Start at the inner upper brow, sliding outwards, then under the eye and back to the starting point. Repeat this process 5 times. For the forehead, apply circular manipulations with both hands, repeating the action 5 times. Then use your middle and index fingers to perform crisscross strokes across the forehead. For the eyebrows, lift the inner centre and outer areas using your index, middle and ring fingers. Slide your fingers around the outer corner of the eye and under the eye orbit, repeating this movement 5 times. Finally, apply slight pressure to the temples using your finger pads and remove the cleansing cream with damp cotton pads to finish the process. A toner plays a crucial role in skincare by removing leftover grease and cleanser while cooling and tightening the skin. It also helps to close the pores, which reduces sweat and sebum production. There are a few ways to apply toner. You can use damp cotton wool to wipe your face and neck in an outwards and upwards motion. Alternatively, you can apply it as a fine mist, ensuring to protect your eyes with cotton pads. Another method is gently tapping toner onto the skin with damp cotton wool, then blotting with facial tissues to prevent evaporation. A quick tip, avoid toners with more than 20% alcohol on dry skin to prevent irritation. Overusing astringents can disrupt the sebum production in the skin, particularly on oily skin. Moisturising provides several key benefits for the skin. It helps restore lost moisture to the skin's surface layers, leaving it soft and relieved. Additionally, moisturising creates a protective barrier between the skin and cosmetics, improving overall skin condition. It also minimises the appearance of fine lines, and when containing UV filters, it offers protection from the sunlight. Before removing minor skin blemishes like milia, whiteheads or comedones, which are blackheads, it's important to warm the skin tissues. Steaming is the best method for this, typically done after manual cleansing during the facial treatment. The warmth from the steam softens the skin, making it more receptive to the treatment. To produce steam, an electric vapour unit heats distilled water, creating steam that's then absorbed by the surface epidermal cells. This helps open the pores, stimulates lymphatic and blood circulation, and improves the skin's condition and colour. However, steaming isn't suitable for clients with asthma, respiratory issues, reduced skin sensitivity or diabetes unless a doctor permits it. When these precautions are observed, steaming can effectively prepare the skin for blemish removal while providing additional skincare benefits. Facial steaming is a highly effective method for warming the skin. By using an electric vapour unit, water is heated to produce the steam, similar to how a kettle works. This steam is especially beneficial before extracting comedones, as it helps to warm and relax the skin and muscles, making it an ideal preparation step before a facial massage as well. However, there are some contraindications to consider when using the steam. It should be avoided for clients with skin that has many broken capillaries, highly sensitive skin, acne, rosacea, acne vulgaris, sunburn and other burns, claustrophobia, and for clients who are nervous or anxious as well. Facial steaming and ozone treatments both offer significant benefits in skincare, but they work in different ways and provide unique advantages. Facial steaming has been used for centuries as a method to relax muscles, improve blood circulation, open pores, increase sweating, and assist in the removal of toxins. Steam treatments are known for their ability to reduce sinus infections and contribute to healthier, younger-looking skin. When used in a facial steamer, steam activates the sweat glands, enhancing the skin's texture and tone by promoting deep cleansing and hydration. Ozone therapy, on the other hand, involves the use of activated oxygen, a powerful natural germicide formed by free oxygen atoms. Unlike regular oxygen, ozone is unstable, with one atom readily detaching to target viruses, bacteria, and unhealthy cells, while leaving healthy cells intact. Ozone's germicidal properties make it highly effective in killing pathogens and promoting overall skin health. When combined with steam, ozone penetrates deeper into the skin, reaching the lymph tissue and fatty layer. This combination increases body temperature, enhances sweating, and facilitates the elimination of toxin, thereby reducing the liver's workload. Additionally, the extra oxygen provided by ozone can rejuvenate cells, further improving skin health and appearance. Before using the steamer, it's essential to thoroughly check all wires, plugs and switches to ensure everything is in proper working order. Additionally, make sure that a qualified electrician has inspected the steamer within the last 12 months. You can check this by looking for the inspection sticker to confirm. When filling the steamer, it's important to add water up to the guideline to avoid issues like spitting or drying out. Always verify that only distilled water is used in the steamer, as this prevents any build-up or damage. Be cautious about where you position the steamer while it heats up. Never over yourself, over the client, the floor, or near any electrical sockets. Also, double check that the steamer is set up in the correct mode, ensuring it's on steam and not on ozone. When turning on the steamer, it's safer to have it facing away from the client. Once the steam is starting to flow steady and adequate, you can then turn it around towards your client to avoid any spitting. Always position the steamer so it's not directly over the client to prevent the risk of it falling. And finally, when it's time to remove the steamer, use a towel to protect your hand and ensure safety while handling the equipment. To begin the steam procedure, start by preparing the steamer. Check that it's filled with the appropriate amount of water and then switch it on about 5 to 10 minutes before use, typically after completing the skin analysis. Next, focus on preparing the client. Make sure that the skin is ready for treatment and position them comfortably. Explain to the client that the treatment will feel warm and comforting, enveloping their face with a gentle sensation. To protect their eyes and any areas with broken capillaries, place damp cotton woolen pads over these areas. For the initial steps, apply a facial exfoliant or peel if necessary. Turn off the steamer temporarily while you position it. Ensure the steamer is placed at the correct distance from the client's face, at least 30 centimetres for oily skin and further away for dry, sensitive or mature skin. When applying the steam, first turn the nozzle away from the client and switch the steamer back on. Once steam is being produced, carefully direct the nozzle so that the steam is centred on the client's face. Generally, the steam should be applied for about 5 to 10 minutes, though this can be adjusted based on the client's skin type and sensitivity. If you're using ozone, the exposure time should be shorter, usually around 3 to 5 minutes, due to its stronger effects. Throughout the treatment, always monitor the client's comfort and skin reaction. Make sure the minimum distance guidelines, 30 centimetres for oily skin and further away for dry, sensitive or mature skin, are strictly followed to ensure safety and effectiveness. Towel steaming is an excellent alternative to using an electric vapour steamer. It involves applying several small clean towels that are heated in hot water to the client's face. To begin, ensure the client is comfortable. Next, take a small towel, fold it and immerse it in a bowl of hot, clean water to heat it. Once the towel is warm, stand behind the client and paste the towel over half of their face, ensuring that the lower part of their face is covered while leaving the nostrils and mouth uncovered for easy breathing. Gently press the towel against the face and allow it to stay in place for about 2 minutes. When the towel cools down, replace it with another hot towel to continue the steaming process. This method effectively relaxes the client's facial muscles and prepares the skin for further treatments. For comedone removal and blackhead removal, start by wrapping a tissue around the tip of the index finger, then apply gentle pressure on the sides of the comedone using the loop end of the extractor, continuing this motion until the comedone is fully removed from the skin. For milium extraction, use the point of the extractor to carefully pierce the epidermis while holding the tool against the skin surface. After piercing, wrap a tissue around the pads of the index fingers and apply gentle pressure to extract the milium. This process should be done with care to avoid damaging the skin. Exfoliation is a skincare technique designed to remove dead cells from the top layer of the skin, enhancing the skin's colour and texture while also stimulating blood circulation. This procedure is usually performed after the skin has been cleansed and toned, but before any additional treatments. Various types of exfoliants can be used, including clay exfoliants, skin cleansing creams, and pore grain exfoliants. In salons, ready-mix granular paste or cleansing grains are often used, which are mixed with water to form a paste. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the application process, as it can vary depending on the product. The benefits of exfoliation include removing dead skin cells, exposing fresh skin cells for a revitalised appearance, and improving blood circulation. Clients may be advised to continue using exfoliants at home as part of their skincare routine. Exfoliants should generally be applied at least once a week, but for oily skin, twice a week is recommended. The product should be applied to the skin using finger pads in outwards and upward movements. After exfoliation, it's beneficial to follow up with a face mask or an appropriate nourishing moisturiser. Exfoliation is crucial in preventing clogged pores, which, if left untreated, can lead to serious spots or blackheads. By effectively removing dead skin that can block pores, exfoliation helps ensure healthier and clearer skin.